makinig kayo sa lahat ng sasabihin ko. Okay? So, for start, maglalaro tayo ng warm-up game. And, our first game, ayan, ready kayo ha? I want you to look for the stickers. So, huwag mo nang gagalaw, okay? So, meron kami tinagong stickers. At the count of 3, lahat kayo iikot kay Chloe. Okay. O, sige. Okay, so, after this, we will have our kay Chloe. Sige, first start, warm up muna. Warm up game. Sige, kids. At the count